your smartphone battery life. In today's fast-paced digital world, our smartphones are lifelines that keep us connected, informed, and entertained. However, one challenge remains universal: battery life. While manufacturers are continually improving battery technology, many of us still find ourselves scrambling for a charger by midday. Here's a story of how you can extend your smartphone battery life with practical tips that make a real difference. 1. Understand your battery's lifespan. Every smartphone battery has a limited number of charge cycles. A charge cycle refers to using 100% of your battery, whether in one go or spread over multiple charges. For example, using 50% today and another 50% tomorrow counts as one cycle. Over time, these cycles degrade your battery's capacity. To prolong its life, avoid letting your battery drop below 20% or charging it to 100% too often. 2. Optimize your screen settings. Your screen is the biggest battery drainer. Reduce your screen brightness or enable adaptive brightness, which adjusts automatically based on ambient light. Additionally, consider shortening the screen timeout duration. Switching to dark mode, especially on OLED or AMOLED displays, can also save energy since these screens use less power for darker colors. 3. Disable unnecessary features. Your phone comes packed with features, but many run in the background and drain your battery. Turn off Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or GPS when you're not using them. For instance, if you're out for a walk and don't need navigation or Bluetooth headphones, disabling these settings can save a significant amount of power. 4. Manage background apps. Apps running in the background often consume power without your knowledge. Check your battery usage settings to identify which apps are the culprits. Close or force stop apps you're not actively using, and consider disabling auto-refresh for social media or email apps to reduce unnecessary activity. 5. Use power-saving modes. Most smartphones now come with built-in power-saving modes that limit background activity, reduce screen brightness, and disable non-essential features. Activate these modes when your battery is low or when you anticipate being away from a charger for an extended period. 6. Charge smartly. Using the right charger is essential for battery health. Avoid cheap, unbranded chargers as they may not regulate voltage properly. Fast charging is convenient, but excessive use can generate heat, which degrades battery health over time. If possible, use slow charging methods overnight or when you're not in a rush. 7. Keep your software updated. Software updates often include battery optimization features. Developers are constantly working to improve the way your phone manages power. Ensure your smartphone's operating system and apps are up to date to take advantage of these improvements. 8. Avoid extreme temperatures. Batteries are sensitive to temperature extremes. Exposing your phone to excessive heat or cold can permanently reduce its capacity. Avoid leaving your device in direct sunlight or in freezing conditions for extended periods. Conclusion. By following these tips, you can significantly extend your smartphone's battery life, reducing the need for frequent charging and improving overall device performance. Remember, small changes in your daily habits can make a big difference in the long run. Whether it's adjusting your screen brightness, managing background apps, or avoiding extreme temperatures, these steps will help you get the most out of your device. Start implementing these strategies